How to buy BTC with Cash App or buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin with Cash App, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to buy Bitcoin with Cash App, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Now once you launch the Cash App on your phone, just come to the little home icon from the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you come to this page, you'll find the option called Buy Bitcoin right over here. So just tap on Buy Bitcoin. And then once you tap on Buy Bitcoin, over here again you'll find another blue button that says to buy Bitcoin. So again, you want to make sure to just tap on that option. Now over here, first of all, you can select one-time order, which means that you can change the order type to auto invest or confirm purchase order. So auto invest basically means that the Cash App account is automatically going to buy Bitcoin for you when they notice a sudden raise in the value, or whatever else is just automatically done, or else only one purchase order. So basically I don't want that auto to happen, so I'm just going to leave it for this one time. Then after that, I can enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that I want to buy. You can see the custom amounts here. If you want to enter your own amount, then you can tap on the three dots, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy depending upon the equivalent, then just tap on the next button over here. Then once you've done that, basically it's going to ask you to simply enter your first name and then also your last name. Now this is done because if you want to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, you have to verify your identity, right? So go ahead and also make sure to enter your legal birth date as well. Then just tap on next. After that, it will ask you to simply enter your full social security number. So go ahead and then make sure to actually enter your full social security number. Once you enter your full social security number, if it is correct, it will ask you for some other verification processes such as scanning the documents and everything else to verify your identity. After you verify your identity on Cash App, it will take you to a page where you can simply confirm your payment information and then purchase the required Bitcoin. That is it for this video on how you can buy BTC with Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.